Next, I'm going to be adding 1 cup of ground beef. You're more than welcome to season with taco seasoning for your ground beef. And next, I'm going to be adding about 1/2 cup of corn. So we just throw that in there. Next, I'm going to be adding 1/4 of olives. Now feel free to go ahead and season and add whatever veggies you'd like. Next, I'm going to be adding 1/4 of chopped onion. All that in. We'll be adding 2 eggs. I have my 1/4 of bell pepper. Just kidding, everyone, that was about 1/2 cup. Now this is totally optional. You can use cream cheese, but today I'm going to be using 1/4 of my sour cream, just to make everything super creamy and delicious. As much as all that. And next, I'm going to be adding my Mexican style shredded cheddar cheese. And I'm going to be adding about 1/2 cup in here. And now we mix. All right, once you have your delicious pie all mixed up, before we put it in the oven, I am going to season with both salt and pepper. And season however you like, no right or wrong. And then with the salt. And last but not least, I'm gonna add my ground cumin. And I actually didn't mix up my spices this time, so before this goes into the oven, I am going to add the rest of the cheese. I want my pie to be a little extra cheesy for textures and for extra flavor. This has all the delicious cheeses that you need for your Mexican cheese blend. And you know what? I'm gonna use the rest of it. So I used a total of 1 cup of cheese into my pie. And I'm gonna try to even it out, and there we go. We are going to bake this at 375 for 25 to 30 minutes. See you then. And the pie is ready. Look at how pretty. I did let it cool off for a few moments. And before I take a bite, I'm actually going to add some chopped cilantro. This is totally optional. You don't have to do that, but it just really completes this delicious pie. It really puts everything together. It's okay if it's not perfect. Garnish however you like. This is just my personal preference. And once we have that topping, it is time to take a bite. Very carefully, a piece right here. I'm trying not to burn myself with the aluminum. It's still kind of hot, so. Look at that. Wow, it's super cheesy. I'm going to add that on my plate. And this is totally optional and just for fun, but for flavor as well. I'm actually going to add 1 scoop of guac to pair it up with my pie. So I'm going to add just one scoop. And now it is time to give this a bite. Cheers. Delicious. Catch you on the next one.